Local news for Wednesday the 13th of April. Etu is working with parents of intellectually disabled children in the Wairarapa as they prepare to fight cuts to ID Services. ID Services plans to exit 5% of its services, including home support, respite and foster and shared care, holiday and after-school programs and contract board arrangements. The parents of Etu held a joint meeting on Monday evening in Masterton, where they launched a petition on ID Services to reverse its decision. Organiser Thomas Webster says the families are angry at ID Services for abandoning them, as well as the lack of fair process, including failure to consult them. The rescheduled Carlton Draft Annual Plan workshop is on tonight at the Event Centre. Ratepayers are invited to come along and talk to councillors about the 2017-18 Draft Annual Plan. The workshop is designed to discuss questions and provide answers about the key issues from the Annual Plan consultation document. And Kiwi Chick 101 hatched in the nursery at Pukaha late on Sunday. Both the little Kiwi and the Ranger team are doing well. And a bit of a mixed bag of emotions this week at Pukaha as the 21-year-old Takahe Butt sadly passed away. In sports, in hockey from the weekend, the Dalford men have had a 3-3 draw with Hutt, while the women went down 3-1 to Harbour City. Ahead of the Easter break, they resume on the 22nd. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.